Okay, welcome to Frank Teaches DevOps. So this is part two of Route 53. So quickly, I'll go onto my AWS tenant and type Route 53. Route 53 duplicates EC2. Mhm. Okay, so the first thing we need to do here on Route 53 is to go onto hosted zones. All right, hosted zones. So you can see I can register a domain. Uh, I can do a lot here. I can do a lot. But my concern here is on how to on how to route these traffic, okay, using a particular policy, geolocation policy. All right, so I'll click on my hosted zones, and though, however, this video is based on demand. All right, it's based on demand, so that's why I needed to do it this way. Okay, hosted zones. Let's start off creating hosted zone. So in here, I'm going to create Frank teaches. Sorry, domain name.com. Okay, so I could say public or a private hosted determines how traffic is routed. Okay, let me go private. Let me take it private. I will show us. Then okay, okay. Um Now there's something I want to do. I have Frank teaches DevOps.com. All right. Then I have four regions. Okay. Washoe. All right. So in this region, I I want to host one of my, maybe I have one of my businesses, one of my sites in UK South. UK South dot, let me copy this. Copy. Okay. Then this is um EU West. EU West dot that. Then this is US East dot that. Then finally, let me say, let me take Asia region or African region. Um, I'll look that up. I can say um SA SA South dot that. Okay, so let's get this up. Let's get this up. Let's get this up. Okay. Okay. Sorry. So this is UK South. Uh-huh. This is EU West. That's EU West. And this is US East. Okay. Then finally, this is SA South. Okay. All right. So this is my parents' domain, right? frankteachesdevops.com. So I want it such that if you are in UK, you should get uksouth.frankteachesdevops.com. If you are in EU, EU West, you should get eus.frankteachesdevops.com. And if you're in US East, you should get useast.frankteachesdevops.com. So it's based on what? Geolocation. All right. So, yes, let's go back to our hosted zone. Okay. So for this task, I'm going to create four VMs, four EC2 instances, and I'm going to place each of these instances in this region. So I'm going to start with UK South. UK South, EC2. I'm going to start with EC, UK South. Please come on. All right. So launch instance and take note of the VPC ID. Take note of the VPC ID. Next. Um, okay. Take note of the VPC ID. Next. Next. Let's use Frank SG. Review. Launch. Okay. General keys. Launch. Okay. This is sorry. This was EU West. So for EU West, all right, EU West, I just launched one EU West. I should get this is for EU West VPC ID. I need to get the VPC ID for EU West. Let me see. Why is it not coming? Uh, I need to get the VPC ID. Once. Okay, so I'm going to create this four region. The other region is EU West. I've done EU West, UK South. Let's look at UK South. UK. There's no even EU South. Okay, EU South. There's EU South. Then, sorry. Okay. I may need to create these VPCs. Okay. For this to fly, I may have to create four different VPCs. All right. I'll create a VPC in EU. Sorry, this is EU South. This is what we have. EU West. Okay. So this will be EU South. Okay. I'll create these separate VPCs and take note of their VPC ID. All right. So quickly. Um, let me duplicate. I'm going to create these VPCs. VPC. VPC. Mind you, I have one VPC already in EU West. So I'm going to look for EU South. So EU South, I'll come here, I'll change EU South, EU South, South 1. All right. I'm going to change the my location, EU South. Don't worry. Okay, let's go. Why is it taking to billing management? Let me go back, please. Go back. I'm looking for troubles. Let me just do just two regions. Let me just do two regions. Okay. Let me keep it simple. Two regions. All right. I just want to keep it very simple. I just want to work with only two regions, EU West and SA South. Let me see that again. South Africa. Africa, South Africa, Africa. Okay, AF South. So AF South. Why is it giving me this? AF South. Let me go back, please. It's not enabled for me. Um, let me take US East one. US East. Let me go with US East. Better. Yes, that's better. Okay. Uh, US East. US East. Okay. So this will be U US East. Okay. So in US East, all right, I'm going to create a VPC. My VPC, Cedar block 10.0.0.0/24. Um, okay, default, and that's it. Great. All I need is just the VPC ID. My VPC, US is this is my VPC. I need this ID. So I'll copy this ID, copy this ID. Now come to our route 53, and US is US East. Okay, Virginia. Then I'll paste it there. My VPC. Can you see it there? There it is. There it is. So I just want to work with two of the regions. And okay, then I will create the hosted zones. Created. Okay. All right. Perfect. All right. So now that we have created the hosted zones, all right, we've created this hosted zone, frankteachesdevops.com. All right. Then I'm going to now create two instances. One of the instance, I'm going to assign that to EU West, which I've done already. Then the second instance, I'm going to assign it to US East 1. All right, so let's hop and create those instances. So my first instance will be, this is EU West 2. This is EU West 2. Okay. Number of instances 1. Um, Next storage. Have I done that already? Wait, let me check. Let me check, please. Let me check already if I have done that. Have I? Okay, it's like I have. So this is it. So let me say this is EU West. Okay, this is EU West. All right, this is EU West. Then the last one is going to be US East. Please go back. Previous. VPC will be sorry, this is subnet. VPC. Whoa. Why is it not coming here? It's supposed to come in here. Okay. Let me just assume this is it. All right. Okay. This EU. Oh, sorry. I need to be cancel. Cancel. I need to change region. Please, you have to change your region. US East. Okay. That's where the VPC is. US East 1. Change your region and create the instance in that region. Change your region and create the instance in that region. All right. Okay. So I'm going to say launch instance over here. Come up. Next. Great. So this is my VPC, right? This is my VPC which I created in EU US East 1. Sorry. Take some time. Next. All right. That's it. Subnet. No subnet found. This should okay. You can create subnets. You can actually create subnets. Okay. Let me just quickly do that. This VPC on this VPC. I want to create subnets. Let me just create subnets quickly. I'll create subnet and I'll be right back. Please. Okay, we need to create this. So my VPC and all right, subnet is there. My sub. Next is to add storage. Add. Okay. Let me use an existing. Okay. Let me use defaults. VPC security group. Review and launch. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, okay. I'm not going to be accessing this. Um, okay. I can create fresh. All right, that's okay. Launch. Okay, so as you can see, view instances. I now have an EC2 instance running in EU West. I also have another EC2 instance running on US East. So let's now go and set up um, our domain in this region. So I'll hop back to my Route 53. Okay. So in here, I'm going to click on what? Create record. Okay. Click on create record. Click on create record. So my first record name will be this. Copy from here. So it has to be this. So remove all of this. It has to be eUwest.frankteachesdevops.com. Then I'm going to route is an A record. I'm creating an A record. So the value is going to be the public IP of EU West. All right. So what's the public IP? Yes, the public IP. So copy the public IP and paste it there. That's the value. The time to leave, let me keep it very low. 10, sorry. Then routing policy, geolocation. So which location? I'm routing for EU West, Europe. Okay. I don't want to do this. Record ID. Uh, okay. Okay. This is for EU West. This for Europe, right? This for Europe. Okay. Just 10. Then I'll create my record. Okay, record ID, let me just say A. Give it record ID A. Create. That record is being created. Is being created. Routing policy is based on this. Then I will do the same thing. I will do the same thing for create record. I'll do the same thing for US East. So I'll copy this. Copy. I'll come here and paste it. That's my geolocation. A record. The value, I'll go and pick the EC2 instance. EU East 1. EU East 1. Where's that instance I created? T2 micro. EU West 1C. I hope you all Lord. Okay. Security group. Okay, this is it. This is it. Key name. This is it. This is it. EU West 1A. All right, so let me label it. Let me say US East. Okay, US East. So let me pick oh, public IP. I didn't assign public IP to the subnet. Let me do that right. We'll set the record name. So I'm going to set the value. So I'll go to my EC2 instance and I will look for EU East. Sorry, EU East is not there. Let's check. Let's check. EU East. Refresh. Okay, I have it here. So EU East, here's the public IP, copy that and come to your Route 53. You give the value, reduce the time to leave to 10. Then the routing policy is geolocation. Then location is EU East is America. Countries, um, uh, Eastern US. Where's South America? Uh, okay, let me type not that should be not Virginia, not Virginia, not Virginia. Let me look for Virginia. Virginia. This is West Virginia. Virginia. Okay. Could this be North? Let's say North Virginia. It's not there. And Virginia is not there. And dot is not there. All right, let me go with Virginia if that's the case. No checks. Then let me give it a B. Okay. I think that's it. That's it. That's the great. So far, we now have two records based on geolocation. So that means if I am in EU West, EU West, which is I'm in European region West, EU West, if I hit this domain, I should be able to get the content assigned to EU West. So copy that. Let's go to um, let's go to let's change location. Let me go to EU West, European London, EU West, and launch that. Sorry, I'm not going to run this EC2. Um, okay, so I should, okay, where's my EU West? This is my EU West. Then if I hit connect and instance connect, let me go this route and connect. So if I do a ping, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. So if I do a ping of this EUS.frank teaches devops.com, I am getting a reply. Now look at this now. I am getting a reply from this domain name. And look at the IP. Which IP is this? 117.163. Let's check. 117.163. Let's check in our route table. 117.163. 117.163. So I'm going to get that content, right, in that location. In that location. So if it is for US East, the same thing is going to be applicable. All right. So in this episode, we have seen a way where we can set our domain name based on our geolocation. So that if I am in London, if I'm in EU West, I'll get the content that is being served for EU West. If I am in EU East, I will only get the content that is being served for EU East. So this is how to implement um, Route 53 using geolocation policy for your domain. And I think, thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in my next series. If there's any challenges you have, drop in the comment section and I will respond. Thank you and have a nice day.